What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2012 Kia Optima, and today I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil life on this car. So the first thing we have to do, you can either do this with the key on, just by pressing the push button right here, just by pressing it on, or you can also turn on the car while the car is running. So here, as you can see, we have engine oil and we have 55 miles remaining until the light appears. And also you have the tire rotation. So what you're gonna do is, here you have these three buttons. You're actually gonna use only two right now. So if you have a screen like this, let's say, you just have to press the trip until you see the message, or until you see the miles. I mean the remaining miles for the oil. Okay, so once you're on this screen, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this for about 1 second, and you're gonna see a screen pop. So here you have the option, as you can see, maintenance. We're going to select with the reset. We press once, and to go down we press trip, and then we press reset again to select engine oil. And with this one, you scroll down and select how many miles you want the light to show again. If you put synthetic oil, you can put 9,000 miles. That's the max. But we actually use the 75,000 because it's more sooner. We press select again, and as you can see, it already selected 75,000 miles. So we're gonna go back and press the reset again, and using the trip as scrolling down, we go back and we exit, and as you can see, it changed to 75,000 miles. Alright guys, I hope you got it, and I hope this video also helped you to reset the oil life on this car, because you have a screen here and sometimes it's a little bit confusing. But with this, following these steps, you'll be good to go. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, also turn notifications on, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next episode. JB Fix out, guys. Bye.